Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to lower polycounts in Blender. This is a 3D model I downloaded from freepik.com. You can find the download link in this video description. To lower polygon counts, firstly we can show the polygon counts for this model. We can go to viewport overlays and then we can check the box statistics. And then we can find number of vertices, number of edges, number of faces, and number of triangles here. If we want to lower polycount, we can select the object and then go to modifier properties and add a modifier. And then go to generate, we can find decimate. Okay, and then we can switch to Un-Subdivide. And then we can increase number of iterations to 1, to 2, to 3, or to 4. I think 2 and 4 is good. If we keep to 4, we can find the number of faces reduces. So if we're happy with this, we can go to Decimate Modifier and apply. So this is how we can lower polycounts in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video.